The Norgren Distributor Portal is a one-stop self-service destination for all of the information you need. Information such as order tracking numbers, price lists, training material, and much more. The portal has evolved over many years. In case you haven't previously used it or just need a refresher, here's a brief tutorial on how to use this powerful self-service tool. Let's take a look. When you land at portal.norgren.com, log in with your norgren.com credentials for access. Once you're in, you'll see the top menu, the side menu, your immediate contacts for all things Norgren, and a pricing and availability field where you can enter a part number or description, the quantity you need, and get fast answers. Let's start by taking a deep dive into the side menu, as much of the heavy lifting is done there. First, we'll look at the Products tab. In addition to the landing page, this is another access point to check pricing and availability of products. It looks very similar to the home page. To find an item in our catalog, simply enter a part number or description, the quantity necessary, and click Check. The results should appear below. Click on an item to see pertinent details such as availability, location, and price. You'll be able to view all of the product documentation here, as well as share this page via email. The Orders tab allows you to check on open orders, as well as view your order history. If you have them, you can search by either SO number or PO number for fast access. To view tracking information, click on the order in question. The tracking information is located here. Clicking on that will take you to the shipping site. The Basket tab is where you'll see the items that you've added to your basket. Also, you can add things by item number in the Quick Basket field to rapidly populate an order. If you compose a basket using another program, such as Excel or your email client, you can use the Paste Basket function. Simply paste the info into the field and let the applet do its magic. The Saved Baskets tab is where you can manage the baskets you have saved to purchase at another time. In the Users tab, you can view and manage who else has access to your account and adjust permissions. Now let's take a look at the top menu. Here you'll find resources such as price lists, video, recorded webinars, announcements, and so much more. We'll start with the pricing header. Under Pricing, you can view and download all of the latest price lists for the Norgren product offering. If the price list is password protected, here is where you'll find the passwords as well. The Videos header is where you'll find visual media such as product overview videos, training videos, and customer testimonials. The Resources header contains a wealth of information such as product data sheets, how to sell guides, maintenance instructions, marketing kits and policies, webinars, case studies, and more. It also contains information about the Norgren app, which allows you to access many of the features of this portal from the palm of your hand. If you have questions or comments and are unsure who to direct them to, under the Resources header, there is a Channel Service Center guide where you can view and download the contact information of someone who will be able to help. Also in the top menu, you can schedule a meeting with an application engineer to answer very specialized questions about any tricky applications that pop up. Finally, in this top menu is where you'll find distributor-specific announcements, such as price updates, obsolescence notices, meeting invitations, and other important news. In the top right are your account settings, where you'll reset your password, update contact information, or log out. Log in today and acquaint yourself with what the Norgren Distributor Portal has to offer by visiting portal.norgren.com.